Farmers argued that they had been hurt through production by Syngenta's introduction of two new varieties of corn genetically modified to deal with the need for chemical insecticides. Accelerate as choice A and escalate as choice B may confuse as relevant correct answer as the acceleration of chemical insecticides may hurt the farmers, but they had been hurt because of the undesired amount of product. Chemical insecticides are not desired by farmers, people, or scientists because of its adverse effect on health of people and corn simultaneously. So corn was genetically modified to alleviate the need for chemical insecticides, which is meant by preclude as choice C and obviate as choice D mean prevent. On the other hand, satiate as choice E and sate as choice F, uh, which are so wrong answers because in healthy agriculture, chemical insecticides cannot satisfy the need to have good corn in comparison with the genetical modification and research with a view to taking the rock of corn out of the hole of adverse effect of chemical insecticides. So choice A, choice B, choice E, and choice F are incorrect answers. So the correct answers are choice C and choice D.